What the heck? This looks like gasoline. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we are going to be eating this meal ready to eat military pack. Is that what you would call it? So these things are meant to last for a very long time. I think I've had this one for a couple of months just sitting here. I've never eaten one of these, so let's see what the military eats. Let's see what this thing has inside of it. It's the chili with beans. I don't know if I said that already. We've got this meal ready to eat heater. Comes with all the instructions and everything like that. It comes with this hot beverage bag. It comes with this beverage base powder, lemon lime. Guessing this is like Kool-Aid. It comes with this cheese spread. You gotta knead it, package before opening. It comes with these crackers. It comes with this pepperoni pizza crackers as well. It comes with this cornbread, TTF. I'm not really sure what TTF means. It comes with gum. I'm guessing that this is like the salt and pepper. It comes with matches. I can see sugar, things like that. It comes with a spoon. It obviously comes with the chili with beans. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I thought it was gonna be separate, but I guess it's kind of combined. All right, so we're gonna prepare the thing that takes the longest. This doesn't have to take long. You don't have to heat it up. Clearly you can eat this without it having to be heated up. So you first gotta knead this thing. If I do any of this wrong, sorry, clearly I'm not in the military, but you gotta knead this thing just to make sure all the chunks and whatever are separated. It can, I guess, heat evenly. So then you gotta tear this top half of the MRE heater. You're gonna put this packet, this chili with beans packet or whatever you got, into this heater. But when you stuff it in, don't put it down all the way just because you need some room for the water to go down without this packet affecting the fill line. Do not overfill. I don't know what happens if you overfill it, to be honest. It's just in big bold letters, so I guess it's a problem if you overfill it, so don't overfill it. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Great, I overfilled it. What do I do? 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 Close that. And then you just put it in here. Close it. And then it says to prop it up with like a rock or something. I don't have a rock, but I do have this candle. Shout out to you if you know where this candle's from. I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes while we open up the other stuff. So we're gonna open up this cornbread. This is a little oxygen absorber. I didn't even know that was a thing, but yeah. Let's see, we're gonna now open up the crackers. The crackers, comma, vegetable. Oh, it made a noise when I was opening it. I mean, it makes sense. You can't have oxygen. Even that little thing for the cornbread had an oxygen absorber, so I mean, it makes sense, so it doesn't go bad. I'm not gonna lie, this stuff smells okay. It doesn't smell too bad. Here we got the crackers that all cracked. And now for the pepperoni pizza crackers. These don't look that bad. I mean, they don't look that bad for it being a couple months old. So I've got this little thing of, I'm assuming it's just like gum and sugar. We've got a nice little napkin. Some iodized salt. Got some matches right here. Got some creamer. We've got some sugar. We've got some coffee. Got a moist towelette, latex free, and some gum. All right, so as we're waiting for the chili to continue to heat up, we got a couple of minutes left. We are gonna be putting in this lemon lime base powder. I don't know if I'm supposed to add the whole thing, so I'm just gonna add the whole thing. Is it supposed to look green? Let's just go for it. All right, so it seems pretty dissolved, and I am gonna get a close-up of everything. Don't worry about it if you can't really tell right now. But it's been about 12-13 minutes, so let us take out the chili with beans. I do feel like the pack is pretty warm. There's a little cut right here where you can tear it off. I'm assuming that it's because they don't want you to maybe reach in and then get burned by the steam. Okay, I'll admit this thing kind of stinks. I'm guessing it's all like the powder inside that's used to heat up all this other stuff. So touching this, it does feel a little bit warmer. It doesn't feel too hot. Like it's not like gonna burn you or anything like that, but it is pretty warm. You guys see that? Now I'm gonna pour this in here just so you guys can get a better view of it, but I'm sure you could eat it out of this thing. So this is a close-up shot of the stuff that was in the packet. This is the juice all dissolved and everything like that. The cornbread, the crackers, the pizza crackers, and the chili. It doesn't look that bad if I'm gonna be honest with you. The drink looks kind of weird because it's green, but I mean, it's better than nothing. Now it's time to taste all this stuff. So first, here comes the chili with beans, main course. Doesn't taste that bad. For it being something that could last for a couple of years, it's not that bad. It's not the greatest, but you know, that's just me being picky. That's just me being a typical civilian. Now to taste the crackers. It tastes like a regular saltine cracker, if I'm being honest with you. This cornbread, I think it was gonna taste the best just because it smelled the best, but I could be wrong. So let's break off a little piece. Yep, that cornbread is really good. Even by civilian standards, it's pretty good. Out of all this, I think this is gonna taste the worst. I know that there's some type of this version in like regular food, and I don't really like it, but these are the pizza crackers. Oh, I think they're the worst. I think they're the worst, if I'm being completely honest with you. I think they're the, I don't know. I don't even like them like in regular food. So, yeah, not really a fan of that. And now for the drink, this looks like gasoline. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't have a bad stomach ache after. It tastes like Gatorade. It's not that bad. Tastes like Gatorade. If you had some ice on it, I could see myself drinking this in a regular like setting, not in the military, because I'm not in the military clearly. So if I were to rank all this stuff, I would rank the cornbread first, the drink second, the chili third, the crackers fourth, and the pizza crackers fifth. Sorry, pizza cracker lovers. I don't really care what you think. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Shout out to the military. I don't know how this turned into some type of public service announcement for the military, but shout out to you. I enjoy my freedoms as a citizen. Anyways, thank you guys, as always, for watching. If you guys enjoy this type of content, click subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I make new videos. That was a burp. And I'll see you guys next time. All right. Peace.